Oscillation over thruster, check. Dynamo dynamics, check.
Goggles, do we really need all this stuff for a skateboard video?
TricksYourMomHates.com demands nothing but the best, Lil Rob. This'll be way, way better than 2D.
We're shooting in 3D?
No! In Goggles Vision 5D. That's 2Ds more in your face than 3D. Of course, there might still be a few bugs.
Test run, people. Let's ride.
My oscillation over thruster requires 1.21 gigawatts of power. Meaty, I need more power.
Good enough.
Perhaps I needed less power.
Tell me you got every second of that.
Confirmative. Forgot to remove the lens cap.
And that's why there's take two.
Prepare yourselves for Lil Rob's video in Goggles, 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 Vision, Vision, Vision. JJ, incorrect video.
Man, you click this time, Jackknife.
Our video got a hit. Seriously? Did we just break the internet?
The internet police! They're on to us!
I saw your video on my PiPhone, PiPad, and PiTop. It's gone viral. Now, who's the kid on the wheelboard thingy? He's the star of my next blockbuster movie.
Here's your unflattened star.
Track Huckster Ball, the richest man living in Sprawl City, rolling in the dough, but his face ain't pretty. Put the bling in bling like a rich fondue. He's got platinum socks and a diamond tattoo.
That's not a tattoo.
So why are you making movies now?
Because kids pay 15 smackaroos for a tub of popcorn, that's why. And my movie's gonna be packed with the hottest thing in Hollywood. Vampires on skateboards.
What about just making a movie with skateboarding skateboarders who skateboard on skateboards?
I love it. I wouldn't change a thing, except for adding aliens. And we can premiere it at the Sprawl City Film Festival.
Delightful. But you want me? Then my best friend Goggles is the director. He's the only one who totally captures the real me.
Deal, as long as he's willing to work for peanuts. And I mean that literally.
And cut! That was spectacular, Lil Rob!
But everything looks kinda... what's the word I'm looking for?
Sketchy?
No, cheap.
Don't you know anything about movies, kid? We fix all that stuff with effects.
What kind of effects?
The special kind.
Oh, yeah!
If you think that's sweet, check out the big climax. Just when you think you've got the aliens on the run, they whip out an alien death trap. You'll never find a more sinister and evil death trap in all of Sprawl City.
This thing's just paper mache.
Sinister and evil alien papier-mâché, you mean? You can skate it, right?
There's not an alien death trap that's been invented that I can't handle.
When was the last time you skated an alien death trap?
That time I was at the beach when I was there with the fam.
That doesn't sound very alien death trappy to me.
You never seen my dad in shorts. Forget it. Let's whip up some tricks and skate this thing.
I got it. You could 50-50 the laser and then nose grind the Venus flytrap swatter.
Nah, that'll take me right into the pendulum of your anus. Unless I do a board slide right into Napoleon's nose.
Why is there a French dictator's nose in the alien death trap?
Come on. Who really truly understands the mystery of the alien mind? Hello?
Someone leaked scenes of skateboarders and aliens to the website moviesyourmomwillhate.com. Moms across the globe will be against us.
Don't get your undies in a twisty, Trackster. If moms hate this movie, then it's for sure gonna be a smash hit.
Especially if his mom hates it. She hates everything.
The first rule of Skate Club is you do not talk about Skate Club.
Oh, I hate this movie.
Check it out. The leaked scene's already been rechirped, retooted, and remeated.
Hey, listen to this review. The brilliant director has created a movie 2Ds more in your face than any other aliens and skateboarders movie ever made.
Wow, I hope this doesn't go to Goggles' head.
Where's my personal assistant?
I think it went to his head, his feet, and the rest of his body.
Oh, dude, why you let him treat you like that?
Dude, I'm getting half his peanuts. Okay, people, we're filming the scene where Lil Rob has to warn the president that aliens stole Napoleon's nose. And cut!
Cut? But I didn't do anything.
I know, and I hated it. This time, try it with feeling. Cut! Needs more wow. Cut! Give me more. Cut! Cut, 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 cut! You're fired!
Me?
I've got a million guys who can stand on a skateboard and be pushed through a scene better than you. And in fact, here they are. Say hello to Lil Robert, Lil Roberto, and Lil Roboto.
These posers can't shred it like Rob.
Perhaps not, but there is something else they can do.
Oh, there's dog stank on my face.
I can't believe my best friend turned into such a hamster biscuit.
There's only one thing to do when the cruel thumb of fate squeezes you like a pimple. Form your own independent film company.
Forget skateboards and aliens. We'll make our own movie for this film festival.
It's made of paper mache, people! Can't one of you skate a nursery school arts and crafts project?
But it's so sinister and evil.
Time is money, Giggles, and this is my time and my money. So you better get this shot, because I got 1,000,001 guys who can stand behind a camera and yell, cut!
Cut! Cut! Cut! Cut! Cut!
Cut.
Do not worry, sir. I shall navigate the alien.
You can't do this to me. I'm 2Ds more in your face than 3D. I still have 120 payments left on my giant cheese head! Ow! Oh! Ow!
There may be no aliens, but that's some gnarly skating, Lil Rob.
Yeah, but it's missing something. I just can't figure out what.
Maybe your best friend? Guys, I'm sorry I behaved like such a prima donna. Okay, Hamster Biscuit. Would it be okay if I still hang with you?
You're right about what's missing from our movie, Goggles. We're wild grinders, and we need to stick together. Friends for one and friends for all. Let's go nail an awesome banger. And I've got the perfect trick.
Are you sure this is in my contract?
It is now.
Watch and learn, Spielberger.
Get that punk off my set!
Just wait for the sequel.
Please tell me someone was filming that.
Cut! Guess who filmed every second?
I need that scene to finish my movie. I'll do anything for it.
Anything? What? The worldwide premiere? We're straight superstarring it up right now. Let's do it.
nuts, man! It's really quite simple. To make him achieve Mach 6 speeds or above, the combustion gas flow needs to combust.
It looks sketchy to me. You sure he'll be safe?
There are several factors to consider.
Let's do this.
Lackey, you flunked out, flunky! I asked you to build a skate ramp, not a Megadeth roller coaster! Daddy saw this, he would fire you for sure! Are you trying to kill me?
Sorry, Mr. Stubford, sir, but you said you like a challenge.
If I wanted a challenge, I'd do my own homework. Now fix these ramps so someone can actually skate them. My robo-skate leg jammed my Maximus Grandibula! Drat you, Lil Blob!
Tower, this is Alpha Niner. We have visual confirmation of one gnarly skateboarder doing big air.
Goggles, tell me you got that.
Confirmative! Lens cap?
I just cranked out the most wicked banger ever, and there's no proof?
At least you know no one will ever duplicate that trick.
I wouldn't exactly say no one. Incoming!
Whoa, what's with the partially cloudy with a slight chance of skaters?
You airplane jetpack 50-50 posers, still my man's trick.
Airplane grinding is for skater boys, dog dude. It don't compare with the time I battled a great white shark to the death.
Okay, surfer boy, you've piqued our interest. Proceed.
Okay, so I was deep sea diving for the dread Pirate Brody's sunken ship and treasure booty. Legend has it, his ghost still haunts the waters where he went down with his ship, guarding his treasure should anyone try to take it.
I don't like ghosts, especially underwater ones.
How does he hold his breath so long? Man!
But dude, check it. Besides the ghost of Pirate Brody, there's also a 100-foot great white shark with teeth bigger than your skateboard. And that's how I got this gnarly scar. And my nickname, Shark Attack. Shasha.
Whoa. Sorry, not buying it. Shark Attack. Shasha.
Seems a shark that big could eat an entire school bus full of second graders in just 2 or 3 bites. Boy, am I glad I'm not in the second grade.
Grinders, this could be the ultimate, most amazing and unbeatable trick ever.
Eating a school bus?
Skating with a shark. It's never been done.
That could bust you out, Lil Rob.
You kidding me? With an underwater skate video, we'd be legendary.
We? Underwater? You got the wrong bulldog, dude.
But you're my dog.
Yeah, but not dog food for some shark. Look at the dude's arm.
Goggles, look on that website and see if you can't find a chicken dog.
Laugh if you want, but my jowls are not going swimming with no shark. Did you see his arm?
Arr, but there's buried treasured me puppy.
Arr, you thinking there's some beefy old beef down there? Arr.
Be cool with your drool.
My bad.
Arg, shivery timbers, walk the plank.
Lil Blob's so jealous of my totally radical skateboarding skills, but he's not even in my league.
You have your own league, Stubford?
Ugh, that's just a saying, Lackey. There's no such thing as a skateboard league, you doofus. Wild losers! If he wants to go scuba skating and end up as shark bait, let him. But I'm gonna get that pirate treasure.
Can I have some of it?
Do I ask you for part of your paycheck, which you only get for being my personal security guard? Besides, Daddy Hucksterball would not approve of me giving away treasure to one of his low-life security guards.
Boy, it's true. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
And don't you forget it. Now let's go! Go!
Sprawl City Pier, tomorrow at the crack.
Arr, shark off the starboard bow at the wee crack of early.
Yeah, not really a morning guy. Or a get eaten by a shark guy.
But good luck with that whole underwater thing. Oh, did you hear my mama? She was just calling. Oh, I gotta go.
Avast, ye scurvy dogs. Off the plank with ya, you cowards. Arr, arg.
I think the eye patch is a bit much. We might be taking this whole shark training thing too far, and I'm pretty sure sharks don't have claws.
The Sprawl City shark does, and a mouth totally bigger than a very small bungalow. Dude, fish swallowed me whole.
Really?
Yeah. And then I like karate chopped his fish pancreas, and he spit me out. Radical. And that's how I got this gnarly scar.
I be the dread Pirate Brody. Heed me words, landlubbers. I'll see ye bones before ye lay a hand on me pirate booty. Whoa, that come out awkward, didn't it? I mean, look, Davy Jones.
What? Giant deadly shark, sunken treasure, pirate dead guy? This is gonna be a killer video.
Not too killer though, right?
Yeah, totally awesome, dudes.
Let's roll.
Ow, I broke my arm. I got a splinter. Look, a hangnail. I stubbed my toe. The sun's in my eyes. There's sand in my jockstrap.
Hey, look! It's that kid who got caught in the fence the other day.
Help! I'm being attacked by a fence. I'm in a shark. Man, I've been bitten by a shark. Ouch, my arm. You got me, dudes, red-handed. I never even made it to the water.
And your gnarly scar, dude.
More like great white chain link. I was just too embarrassed to admit it. Muy uncool. Sha.
No. That's cool, dude.
I don't need to use the gate.
Maybe you should consider changing that nickname to Fence Attack. I really hope this goggles shark suit works, because shark jaws can be bad for your health.
What about the ghost of Dread Pirate Brody? He warned you not to touch his booty.
Can we please start calling it treasure?
Bon voyage! Anyone know which way to the poop deck?
Now that was shocking.
Gee, I've never heard that before.
Whoa, you ain't snacking on this, Guppy. Amazing!
He be warned! You'll not touch me booty!
Yeah, we're definitely going with treasure.
Go ahead, Mr. Wild Flounder. Paddle away like a sea chicken and leave the treasure for me.
Huh? Lackey? Why are you pretending to be a ghost pirate? Are you and Stubford trying to scare me off the treasure?
And we would have gotten away with it, too, if it weren't for you meddling kids and that drooly dog.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, I guess you're not really meddling.
There's a thin line between genius and stupid. Let's skate, Lackey!
It's Lakowski!
Hi, Lil Rob. I got the booty. I got the booty! No, Lackey, go the other way! Get away!
Did you get that?
Confirmative! And then my hard drive crashed.
Oh, that was crazy. I can't believe I just skated with a 100-foot shark.
Some pretty gnarly boarding, bud. Too bad you didn't get a scar, dude.
No, I didn't. But Stubford might.
Lackey! Help! Now, or your